It's alright. But I heard you want to abort it. Why?
I will not let it hinder my source of livelihood. You insisted on not using protection. And now, you have to bear the cost of the abortion.
This may sound stupid. What if I want you to keep the pregnancy?
Keep what? You must be joking. Unfortunately, I cannot keep it. Not even the king can make me keep it.
I am the king.
What? Are you serious about this? You are the king? No.
I only disguise when I want to leave the palace, so I won't be recognized. I am the king.
Oh. So it was your wife that came here a few minutes ago and warned me about you?
My wife was here? When? What? Was she alone?
Few minutes before you arrived. And she is very serious about this.
It's all right. Let's get back to the main issue. What are you saying? Will you keep it? I will reward you handsomely.
I will keep it. Just to annoy your wife.
Not to worry. I'll keep her away from you.
Better.
I will send my friend to you. I'll take very good care of you, right? I'll find another time to see you.
Okay.
How time flies. It seems like yesterday. The mistake I made for marrying a woman who delayed to give me an heir to my throne.
Everybody here. Rejecting my food would not stop me from finding out who you have started seeing recently, knowing how much you despise my son.
Ugezu, please, would you let me have peace of mind?
Not until you tell me who she is. Last night was the second night you were sleeping out of this palace since we got married. Who is she? The last time I remember you telling me she was pregnant for you and you had plans of making her your second wife. Or you think I've forgotten all that?
Keep talking.
Yes, I will keep talking. Because you're planning to bring her and her child into this palace. Why is it hard for you to say it?
I am the king. It is my right to take decision that I think fit.
Then say it. You not saying it is an act of cowardice. For you to keep it to yourself Kings do not keep such informations to themselves. Say it. You're a man. A full-blooded man. And a king for that matter. Spill it out.
Mother, why are you crying?
My son, I am fine. It's nothing for you to worry about.
No, you can't tell me that. I'm seeing my mother hot and she's telling me not to worry about it. What's the problem?
It's your father. He has gone back to his mistress.
Mom, is that why you're crying? My father can have as many mistresses as he wants. But one thing is for sure. No woman will come to this palace to take your place. Huh?
He got her pregnant in the past. Now he wants to marry her.
No, that will never happen. That will never happen as long as I remain in this palace. No, come on, Mom. This is Candy talking to you. My father cannot do such a thing. No woman will take your place in this kingdom.
My son, there's nothing we can do about it. He's the king. He has the right to marry as many women as he wants.
Look at me. Omame. What did I say?
Omame.
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 Yeah. Okay, so cheer up. Okay? It's okay. It will never happen.
Doctor, good news.
Good news?
Yes. Your wife has put to bed to a handsome baby boy. Thanks to the gods of my ancestors. At last I have an heir to the throne.
Yes.
In that case, let me prepare a driver to take us there.
Alright.
I'll be right with you. Everything I worked for just went down the drain. I should have listened to my mother. I should have brought Beatrice and her son to the palace. The enemy would not have had a chance. to deal ruthlessly with me like it has.
We cannot continue like this. That boy Kamdi does not have the qualities of being a king, neither to rule this land. Himself and his mother will ruin this land.
Mother, how should I handle this? I think it's too late.
No, it is not too late. It is not too late. You're still strong and vibrant. Get yourself another wife. Get another woman who will give you a better heir to the throne.
You're making it sound so simple. How do I handle it when you know how desperate Kamdi is?
Ebubedike, your word is law. Your decision is final. God forbids that boy ascends the throne of your forefathers.
It is not my wish either. I can see the devil in him. He will just ruin everything that I have worked for. Oh. If Beatrice's son, my son, had not died, I won't be going through all this. Oh, whoever killed Beatrice and took my son away will not go free.
My son, forget about the past and focus on the future. Just calm down. Things will be okay.
I hope you wasn't listening to our conversation.
I do not care. I don't care one bit. And let me warn you, do not be scared of this rat.
I'm listening to you. Talk. Yes, I'm listening.
Now we need to talk.
Sam, don't worry, I'll soon be done. The person is telling me something very important. Yes?
Mom, this is very important. Can we talk?
Let me call you back, please. Bien, excuse us.
You're making meaningless call. What's more important than what I'm about to tell you?
Are you mad? How dare you raise your voice at me? I am your mother. You have no right whatsoever to raise your ugly voice at me. Nwokoye?
Father's mistress. Are you aware he had a son for him?
What? Who told you that? Well, I am aware. The son is no more, just like the mother.
You lie. The son is still alive. He was just kidnapped. So wherever he is right now, he's alive.
Kanti, why do you like bothering yourself about little things? Kidnapped or dead, they both mean the same thing. That means disappearance. Your father does not know him. He does not know your father either. So I don't know why you're bothering yourself about such stupid story.
Of course, I need to be worried, Mom. I am the crown prince, so I need to be aware of any threat going around my side.
Kamdi, can you calm down? My son, you have nothing to be afraid of.
Queen Mother is pressurizing the father to get a second wife. She said I cannot ascend the throne after my father. That got me thinking. Is that man truly my father?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Edochie is your father. Let me never hear this kind of useless question from your mouth ever again. No matter what his mother does, I will never let him take a second wife. Because he has an heir. And that is you and no one else.
Well, that's better. That's more like it. Because I would never compromise my position for nobody.
No.
Arrogant, so selfish, without respect. Ooh. I wonder what he feels. I wonder what he thinks. Ooh. Tomorrow is bigger than what you think. He's a beast in human clothing. He's full of pride. Beware of him. He's a beast in human clothing. No conscience at all. Beware of who he is. He's a
Papa. Papa. Oh. Papa.
Adora, what is it?
Papa. This one where you just your mind come off from where you dey. Wetin dey happen? Eh? Anybody find your trouble? Make it tell me, make I go change them for them. Eh?
Take this place inside.
I go take the place inside. But why your mood dey like this? Your mood no good though. If anybody find your trouble, make you tell me, make I go change them for them. No say you get tigress here now.
Didn't you hear what I said? I said take this place out.
Papa, make you dey calm down. Make you dey calm down. Hey, Papa, you get something where I want to ask you.
Oh, what is that?
Make I sit down. See, Papa, I want to ask you.
What is that?
That my brother. That Alozie.
What happened to him?
I beg. Now my brother be that. Now my real brother. Now waiting now. Like we are two brothers.
That question is irrelevant. Get out of my sight.
Ha. Papa, how the question dey irrelevant?
Get out of my sight.
Papa, make you dey calm down. I don't understand you, Papa. Which kind of thing? Did you dey change am for me? Why they change?
I said out!
No, while I go come out, but you need to answer me this question. Make I know whether we dey two boys for this place. I been now one we dey. Papa, make your blood dey calm down. Every day you do like this. Make you know you do like that. Hey, your blood too dey hot now. Which kind of thing is this? You go just dey power anyhow. Dey calm down, abeg.
Have you seen how much shame you have brought on our father's throne? If our late father Iwokaka had messed the throne up as you are doing now, would you have had the privilege to sit on his throne? No, you won't. A king who cannot control his son, is he expected to rule over a full community? Ekubo, please, forfeit the throne. Hand the kingship over to me. Just focus on other things. Allow me restore dignity to our father's name. What if I don't? Anayo, what if I do not? What will you do? It's only a stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave. That sounds to me like a threat. Anayo, are you threatening me? Are you threatening me, Anayo? Call it threat. Ekubo, call it anything you like. But mind you, your days on that throne are numbered.
Come with me now. It's like Daddy is dead, oh.
What are you saying?
Come with me.
Wow. Wait, is it true that Igwe is dead?
What you heard is the truth.
Hi.
What is happening? Hi. I mean, what is going on? Can someone talk to me?
You, this evil man. You have succeeded in killing my father, right? Huh? Gasp. What? This man in the dungeon succeeded in killing my father. Not in jail.
Hi. William Efimanya.
Okay. That man. You have been found guilty of murder. For poisoning and killing the king, my father, and your brother. What do you have to say in your defense?
You elders would rather believe a small boy instead of me. I have nothing else to say. You already have condemned me, so...
Nobody has time for your cheap blackmail. You are the last person to serve the king a drink before he passed on. So as the king of this land, I find you guilty. And you will be executed in the next full moon. That's my judgment.
You will not make me childless. Anayo is my only surviving son. Please do not kill him.
And your only child of a murderer should be allowed to walk around freely?
Any other punishment will do, but not death.
I see. Okay. I think I have another punishment for him. Anayo, you are to be the king's royal tester. You are to test any food I'm going to eat before I eat it.
So that if any of your enemies decides to poison you to death, I will die in your stead. I will not do it.
And be prepared to die of your atrocities. Your son said he will not do it.
He will do it. It is better than death.